And today's class is about the venture capital. From the marketing side, now we are moving towards the finance. Because once you are able to get the fund, you are able to do the activities in business. That is why let us see the main concepts in financing the venture. How you will get the funds for financing your business. Very crucial one. Nowadays, this venture capital is very famous. So today we will discuss the venture capital, and next week, I think on Thursday only, we will discuss about the main concept in finance with regarding to the business, that is the burn rate. After that, we will discuss the final concept, what are all the sources of finance, how the government is helping you to get the funds for your business. That are the things. That is the last topic. So I hope we will be able to complete everything in on time. So before going to the topic, let us see the reflection. I think only one student mentioned that activity in the Google form, the question. How you will estimate the demand, I think, especially for the app development, everything. Of course, you try to mention the answer from the common point of view. We need marketing projection, competition, global trend, and price income. Very good. That is for any business. All these are essential. But for the app development, we need some of the softwares. That's what I told on the other day. That is on yesterday. We are having now software to find out what about the demand. Very good marketing analytics is there. We are having the sentiment analysis, and there are few softwares available, and it will go through the reviews in LinkedIn, social media, everything. Then it will project that what will be the demand. That is the nice thing in case of softwares. But other things we can't do. In case of software market, especially app development, it depends upon such type of social media. That is why we are able to predict the demand. And nicely the student answered. This is the general answer. Okay. Now let us move on to this today's discussion with a nice podcast, that is the news. And recent news, the Bangalore startup sector attracted around $28 billion. Remember that, $28 billion in venture capital. What is mentioned by the Karnataka IT secretary. And also city ranked 23rd in global startup, not in India. Throughout the world, Bangalore ranks number 23rd in the startup ecosystem. That means those who are born and brought up in Bangalore, they will have in their blood itself the startups. Whatever they are studying, they are coming to the business. That's what indirectly, in case of Bangalore, even the doctors, those who have studied the MBBS, they are starting small hospitals nowadays. And those who have studied engineering, they are starting their own engineering works. I have seen some of even this Honda showroom nearby our campus, that is in Narayanapura Cross in Gettavelli, you can see it is owned by an engineer. He created that one. So nice thing, irrespective of the studies, they wish to dominate in their business. Of course, in future, you may be. Nice to hear one of our students. I think now she is not there. She met me yesterday. I think computer science student. She is very much interested only in doing the business. She is ready to introduce the different apps. Very interesting thing. I discussed with this HOD, Kumar sir. He is also supporting. See that one, some of our students are having a very good view immediately. But my suggestion, work for at least 5 years, then you will gain knowledge. After that, you can come to the business. Usually, that is the best practice in business. Those people are said to be very successful because they know the plus points, minus points in managing the people. So best work under any person, then you will gain. Even the famous example, you can see Dosawala case we discussed, Flipkart case we discussed, even the Ola, all these persons, they worked in some of the organization, they gained knowledge, then only they are coming out. Same thing. If you are having knowledge, if your studies are good, you will get very good funding from any organization. Here see the example of the Sachin Bansals. These Bansals of Flipkart, since they studied in IIT, they received huge funding. Whereas the illiterate, we discussed the Prem Ganapati, Dosawala, he didn't get any funding because his education was less than 10th standard. But in Bangalore, the concept is different. Whether you completed your degree or not, if you are ready to start your business in the Bangalore, you are ready to get financed by different people. That is the interesting thing in Bangalore. That is why it is considered as the startup capital of India. Once upon a time, it was mentioned as the IT capital of India. Now Bangalore is emerging as the startup capital of India, followed by Navi Mumbai. Then only Delhi region, NCR region. See that one, the people in their blood. You are having the ventureship ideas to move in the right direction. That is why now recently, most of the business has been attracted. Most of them are ready to fund your business because the idea is numerous with these Bangalore people. Even you can discuss, when you are discussing on Monday, I noticed a number of discussions. When you are talking about innovative products, your idea is very nice. It reflects indirectly that the startup boom among you. But the finance is very important. When you are ready to do the business, where you will get the fund. Even you can see, it is very interesting to see this image. Even the tech startup boom in India has fueled local venture capital industry. Even if you are ready to do a rural festival or a program for rural, and if you are ready to do a business with rural people also, in Bangalore, you will get the funding. Nice example how this tech startups in India is booming further. Most of them are having the fund. They are ready to invest with startups. In case of India, you can see, we are going to discuss what these people are going to do. Bloom Venture, Matrix Partners India, Chirath Ventures, Inflection Point Ventures. These are all the people in India which has been ranked high. These people are ready to finance you based upon your business plan. Your idea will be nice, but when you are telling this idea to these people, if your idea is very good according to them, they are ready to finance nowadays. Not only the government, but also the private parties. These people are now called as the venture capitalists, VC firms. Simple thing. What these people are doing, we are going to see today. Okay? So understand this concept from the news, not from the conceptual side. If you want to commence a business with a new innovative idea, and if you are informing this innovative idea, not the original thing, idea you have to tell, but how you are going to create a new product, you need not reveal. That is your business secret. And based upon your innovative idea, these people are now ready to fund you. Only thing you have to present this plan, your business plan, and you have to inform to them nicely based upon your business plan. They are ready to finance. That is why a number of business plan competitions are going on everywhere. When you decided to go, you can tell your business plan to somebody to get the fund. Very good example. Recently, this news has been taken recently, just 7 days back, that is in November. The Capital A invest 25 million in B2B logistics tech startup Rodo. Based upon this news, you can understand who are called venture capitalists. Capital A, it is the name of the organization. Never mentioned that A, B, C, D, but they have given their organization name as Capital A. It is located in Bangalore. I think now it is nearer to our campus itself. Fraser Town. Some of you might have seen that one. In Fraser Town, there is one organization called Capital A, and they are doing nicely banking business, private banking business. That is providing you loan. Maybe I don't know how they are recovering, but they are having very good capital. This capital is secured from different places. And these people are ready to finance anybody if your idea is an innovative one. And this Capital A, recently, they are given around $25 million. Think about that one. Whom they are given to one of the B2B logistics company called Rodo. Rodo is the name of the organization, and Rodo has been introduced recently in Bangalore, and it is said to be the cloud-based platform. This Rodo is one innovative organization created by one person studied in VTU, Visvesvaraya Technological University. I don't know which course he studied, but as per the thing, he completed his studies in VTU. Then he decided to get into the business. He created a nice, innovative idea. The idea is a cloud-based platform. Without a GPS, you can track the vehicle. Logistics company means they are supplying or they are having more truckers. They will engage in supply chain network. Simply speaking, even you can see the packers and movers. They are also coming under logistics one. If you are shifting your home What now you are doing? You are taking the app and entering. You are going to shift the home from Kamanahalli to Hennur. You are a very small place. So what you are doing? You are entering into your app and you can fix the time also. Once you fix the time, these people will come and they will pick up everything from home and they will put up in a very big container. They will lock the container in front of you. Then they will open where you are going to shift. Same thing. That is also one type of logistics. Usually these logistics people are taking the goods from one place to another place, trackers. The Amazon depends upon the logistics network. Flipkart depends upon the logistics network. If you are ordering in Amazon or in Flipkart, they are providing you with a tracking. Tracking means if you ordered for a nice mobile phone, I think recently the Flipkart introduced that they are going to sell the mobile phones very cheaper rate. Whether it is true or not, I think my neighbor yesterday asked me whether we can order. I told you it depends upon you. And he is ready to order for his 5-year-old boy. See that one 5-year-old boy for his online class, a mobile phone through Flipkart. If you order either in Amazon or in Flipkart, you are able to track when the goods will come, from where it is coming. The goods may come from even New Delhi. You can track, okay, the package entered into the Amazon facility in Gurgaon. Then it left the facility in New Delhi, then it arrived in Bangalore. All those things you are able to see. That is called tracking. So now for tracking, these people are using GPS. Even in your mobile phone, we are using the GPS nowadays. Once upon a time, to find out the location, we have to ask number of people. Still, I remember from Majestic to our college, in the introductory stage, when our college has been established in 1997 or something, nobody knows how to go from Majestic. We have to ask which bus will go, where the Christu Jayanti College is located. They have to find. It is very difficult. But nowadays, what you are doing, you are nicely entering into Google. Through the Google Maps, you are finding and you are driving your vehicle to that place nicely. That is depending upon the GPS. For that, there is need for internet connectivity. Now, a person introduced even without GPS, we can go for tracking. That is the innovative idea. And he named that one as Rodo. Through the Rodo, they are giving the solution that without a GPS tracking system, with the help of radio frequency, of course, I don't know, I am not an electronics guy to know all those things. Through the one of the system, radio frequency identification, these people will track where the goods are going on, and they are able to even tell the movement of the goods also. If Rodo has been tied up with Amazon, you are able to see in the map where your product is coming. Even it is moving in the truck, you are able to see the truck movement in the map. You are able to locate. You are like if you are traveling in Ola, it will move. Same thing, you are able to know even where the product is moving. See that one, but without GPS. They mentioned that even without the internet connectivity, we are able to know. I don't know how, what is the technology is going to use. Even if the product is moving inside the thick jungle or the forest area or even in the sea, we are able to locate all those things. That is the innovative idea created by Rodo founders. And since this idea is very good, the capital A. Capital A is one of the organization. It is located in Bangalore and Fraser Town. I think some of you might have seen in nearby that Bangalore East, there is one board available there, capital A. These people gone through, okay, a guy who studied in VTU, Vishwesvaraya Technological University, created a new thing. This is an innovative idea. Without GPS, he is mentioning that he can track, and he mentioned that you are able to see where your product is moving. See that one. So nice idea. So what these people decided? Okay, we are ready to fund you. We are ready to give $25 million to you, provided you have to create this technology and you can sell. Your business is to create this tracking technology without GPS, and you can sell your product. Product in the sense, their technology. They won't tell what is inside. They will tell clearly if they are selling to Amazon, the Amazon product, we are able to know where our supplier is coming, where Amazon delivery is coming. Even you can easily know. You may inside your class, but suddenly nicely from right hand side, you are seeing your Amazon cell phone is coming. It crossed Hennur, it crossed then Narayanabra cross, then it is approaching our campus. You can see everything in the map and you can go and get it immediately. All these things will happen. That is why these people invested, they gave around $25 million. It is about 186 crores. Think about that one. Very huge amount. They given that money to that innovative person to create the business. This capital A is called venture firm or venture capitalist. Venture capitalist means who is giving money for the innovative entrepreneur, innovative businessman. In our example, a student studied in VTU. He introduced a new innovative idea. Without using GPS, how we can track? So for that innovative idea, this capital A has given 186 crores. So this capital A is considered as the venture firm, and the business people is Rodo. See that one. And of course, the client for the Rodo, any organization, even in future, Amazon may come or Flipkart may come. See that one. That is the concept you must know. So capital A is the venture capital and the business people is the Rodo. We have to wait and see how far this technology is going to move. If this technology is successful, even in future, when your kids are going to school, you can put in the RFID tag in the ID card or in the pencil box of your kid, so that you will know where your kid is going, whether the attendant is taking your kid exactly to the school, and they are bringing that one. That is also possible. So the next generation is going to come. You will open the app and you will see where your kid is going. But you have to pay huge money to these people. Rodo. You may not know. You can have to pay because they are going to introduce like that. So what this venture capital are doing? They are helping you in fundraising and they are investing in your business. That means if they invested, they may ask returns also. Usually they will ask, okay, I'm investing money, 50% profit, you have to give it to me. That is also possible. Then the incubation. They will help you to know different ideas, how to develop. Because now, in our example, this VTU student created a nice tracking system without using GPS. Now it should come in a proper prototype. There is need for incubation. The product should develop like a butterfly, how it comes out and it is ready to fly. That is the incubation stage. This idea is good. How to develop this idea and create a nice prototype which is legally accepted by the government. We need incubation. So these people will help how to incubate, how to bring that product live. Then they will realize the gains. Realize the gains means if you are selling all these things, they will find out what is the profit. They may seek for minimum 20% profit because they only invested. But idea is you. That is the thing. Then once again, they will give that money to some other venture capital, they will invest. That is the concept of venture capital. Simply speaking, these are the people who are investing in your business by seeing your innovative idea. Okay. So what is the meaning in conceptual manner? Venture capital means whatever the funds, that is the money available for these startup firms. Whatever may be the startup, they will be given with that money. The person who is giving the money is called the venture capital. How they will give? They will go through your project, whether it is feasible. We have studied the feasibility study. Then they will see the business plan, whether your business will pick up. After seeing all this feasibility, which include marketing, finance, operation, all these are feasibility, they will see then your business plan. Then they will come to a conclusion that, okay, we are ready to invest. They are ready to give you money. These people are called venture capitalists. Of course, you must know there is another type of venture capitalist, angel investors, that we will discuss at the end. So that is the meaning of venture capital. What they are doing now, they will finance new companies, purchase equity securities. Equity securities means nothing. They will invest for that, they will ask for profit share. If they are asking for profit share, they are called equity securities. They used to develop, assist in developing the new products and add value with the help of active participation. These are all the roles of the venture capitalist. They are aiming for a long period. Now only in case of VTU, the student created something new without GPS, without anything. We can track with the help of RFID, that is radio frequency. He created a nice thing. These people will ready to help him in future. how we can sell this product. Then the lack of liquidity is another one. You may not like liquidity means you are not having business to, you are not having cash to run the business. You are not having money to run the business. You are not having funds to run the business. In such case, these people are ready to provide the liquidity. Liquidity means ready cash. Usually they will invest in more risk because a risk project will get more premium. If the risk is high, the profit will also be high. It is usual thing, but don't take risk much. I think you know one of our students, he went some other place, he was ready to take a selfie. Finally, he fell down in a ditch. Of course, he escaped with only small incident. He is ready to take risk. The water is flowing heavily and he decided, he told that if he posts this image anywhere in social media, he will get more likes, everything. He has taken a nice video, but when he was taking that video, he fell down in the same place. Now we can't see even the video. But some other student has taken that one, how he is falling down. See that one. That is why high risk. Usually these people will invest in high risk. Equity participation, they will demand for their profit, then participation in management also. They will come and join with you and they will help how we can develop the business. That is the main characteristics of these venture people. Be clear. That is why what they are doing, they will share the risk as well as the reward. That is the advantage of these people. Let us see how these people are financing. You must know. Because if you are ready to start a business, how you can get this money? We have discussed the Capital One is ready to give such a huge amount to a person who studied in VTU with a very big mindset. So how these people used to give the money? We used to call it stages in financing. They won't give the money at a time. They will give one by one slowly. Even though they promise that they are ready to give crores and crores of rupees, first installment they will give less to start. Then by seeing that one, they will give the second installment. These installments are called stages. You can see the first one is the seed money. Seed money means before commencing the business, we need some money to incorporate that one. Even the patent filing, patent right. If you are having an innovative idea, that file the patent. And preliminary expenses, that is the beginning expenses. We have to buy some machinery, some cases, and we have to do some work. These purpose we need money. That is called the seed money. Seed money is the establishment expenses. When you decided to start a business, we need basic money. Even if you want to construct a small room, we need money. Even if you want to hire a room, we need money. That is the seed money. You can see that the seed money is the first one, followed by that one, we used to call it as startup money. Once you created the seed money and purchased some assets or some equipment for your business, that is the startup money. To buy new equipment, we need startup. We have to register in government. Another thing, we have to expend some money for the purpose of technological know-how. We have to file the patent. All these things, we need the money, that is called the startup money. Then only the first round of financing. First round of financing means now you established a nice business and you put up furniture here, lighting setup, everything is okay. Now you have to run the business. You have to call the customer. By the time we need the first round money. When you are ready to start the business. But before that, we need preliminary expenses, that is the seed money. Then we need startup money. Startup money is essential to fix everything in its place. Then now we started the organization. So the customer starts to come. Now by the time we need first round of money. We used to call it as early sales. Based upon the customers, we can know how far our business will go. That is the first round. Okay. Then the second round. Second round is called as the working capital round. You need certain money, cheap in the form of cash. That is the second round. You have to pay salaries. You have to pay wages to the employees working with you. You have to pay the legal taxes, everything. That's all comes under the working capital. That is the second round. So be clear, in each and every stage of the business, you have to get the money. Okay? So first is seed money, then startup, then first round, second round, even it may go to third round also for the establishment. In case of third round, you can see the method of financing should be identified. Method of financing means whether we will go for loan or whether we can use our own money. That is the decision. You must know. That is called mezzanine financing. Mezzanine financing means if you need 10 crores, 5 crores you are already having. Remaining 5 crores you are borrowing from somebody. That is called debt capital. Okay? So the combination of both debt as well as investing our own money, we used to call it as mezzanine financing. In the third round, we have to see. We have to run our own business assets, everything, success. Then fourth round. Fourth round means we are ready to go to the public. So far, we are doing our own business. Recently, you can see Paytm, very good example. Paytm was under the single man rule, but now recently they decided to go for a separate company. What they did, they went for initial public offering, IPO in the market. They decided to raise the money, but it's not going according to their expectation. But the fourth money is given to you, provided if you ready to go for the public limited company. If you are ready to go for the public limited company. Public limited company means big companies. You want to need more money. You can go for that one. Okay. By that time, you will get the fourth round. These are all the stages in venture capital. Usually, they won't give immediately. Today, we mentioned capital A is ready to give money to Rodo. They won't give entire crores once. Each and every round, they will give the money. First round, second round, third round, fourth round. They used to give step by step. That is the uniqueness in case of the venture capital. Okay. But you can see they estimated what are all the risk in each stage. Seed money, it will take minimum 7 to 10 years. but the risk is very high. See that one. In case of startup, the fund raising, it takes 5.9 years, but the risk is very high. In the first stage, the risk will be less. See that one, the seed money is the venture capital. They are ready to fund more, but only thing, they will follow most of the process. Okay? That is the thing. Okay? Same thing, we'll move on to one. Some of the examples in India. This is the once again the venture capital process. You will screen your ideas, they will evaluate your ideas, then only they will give the approval to your ideas. They are ready to fund. Okay? That is why in case of VC, that is venture capital, the investment process comes like that. First, deal origination. Okay? Deal origination means you have to deal with the venture firms. In our example, the RODO organization have a deal with the capital J. What type of business we can start? That is the deal origination. After that, the screening of idea. The screening of idea means how this idea will be feasible. The feasibility study is called the screening. Whether this new innovative idea will be successful one. Now they mentioned in case of the Motor RODO, it is financed by capital A. They clearly screened this is a very good project. If it is implemented, we'll get more income. That is the screening. Due diligence, very important thing. You have to evaluate your idea correctly in a practical manner, not in a thinking in vacuum style. That is, you can't sit and take decision. You have to go down, then only work. Due diligence is there, then the deal structuring, then the investment plan, how we can invest. Once these steps are over, we can come out and directly go for the venture capital. You can see there are a number of venture capital organizations run by the government. You can see all media, financial institutions, state level, commercial banks. All these are the venture capital funds. In case of India, these people are governing the venture capital. IDBI is very famous. If you are having a new idea, you can inform to the IDBI venture capital. They will ready to fund you. If our Tenzin is ready to do a nice jewelry business in Bangalore, definitely he can tell his idea and get fund from these organizations. Okay, that is the traditional process. Okay, let us see, this one not essential for you. Yes, I will tell few examples of India. Okay, in case of India, how this venture capital is going on. Yes, you can see here it is there. Safe Partners, this is the venture capitalist. What these people are doing, they are having $1 billion and they are investing with you, with the startups. That is by the Safe Partner. And it invests around $5 million in seed stage and $35 million in growth stage. Of course, most of them are from Paytm, Just Dial, etc. That is a very good example of the venture capital. Safe Partners, DFJ India, that is Drasper Fisher, Jurvetson. It is also a venture capital, which is created for funding the money to the business people. This is another organization, Fidelity Growth Partners. They are also investing. You can see it is the subsidiary of Fidelity International Limited. They are having around 50 million to invest in India. Then another example, very famous, is the SoftBank venture capital. In case of SoftBank, we are having the venture capital unit, separate one, and that name has been given as, I think, they given a nice name for that one, SoftBank VC unit. Yes. Another one, their name for taking over the business is mentioned there. Yes, SoftBank usually, yes, I will tell later on. Likewise, Helion Venture Partners. These persons are also financing. They are investing up to $2 million to $10 million, especially for retail, healthcare, education. They are helping such type of organization. This is an example of the Accel Partners. They are all investing around $0.5 million to $50 million. And they invested in Flipkart, Baby Oi, Fresh Desk, Book My Show, all those things. Then the Bloom Ventures. These are all some of the examples for the venture capital. These people only give first fund and they will give the ideas to you to do the business. So, in case of venture capital, you must know what is the venture capital, and very important thing, when they will give the fund, what are all the stages in venture capital, you must know. These are the few examples. Nexus Ventures, Safe Partners. These are all the called as venture capital. Okay. Next class, we will go for the angel investors. With this, we will conclude this class. So based upon our discussion, you must know how you can get the fund from the venture capital. We have discussed the innovative idea. If your idea is very innovative, you can get the funds. With this, we will conclude today's class. We will meet in next week. Okay. Until then, bye. Happened.